Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and solve some important questions related to what understanding quadrilateral, and we discuss some important concept related to that, like we discuss the regular polygon, we discuss the polygon, what is the concept of quadrilateral, and so on. We discuss some important topic related to that chapter, and we take and solve some important question based on them. Okay, now in today's class we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on the quadrilateral, understanding the quadrilateral. Okay, sorry. Therefore, in previous class, first of all we discuss some important formula related to polygon. The first formula is the sum of all interior angles. The sum of all interior angles of a polygon is what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. This is a very important formula related to that. Okay, sum of all interior angles. So measure of each interior angle is what? That is measure of each interior angle is equal to, we divide that values by the number of sides. So in this, here n is the number of sides. If we divide that formula by n, then we get the measure of each interior angle. Okay, if we calculate the each interior angle, then the another formula to finding the value of each exterior angle. The formula for finding the each exterior angle is equal to 180 minus each interior angle. This is a very important formula to find the each interior angle. And also we also have one another formula to find the each interior angle is what? Each exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of exterior angles, sum of all exterior angle, which is always 360 degree, upon number of sides, upon number of sides. Okay, so there are two very important formula, dear students, related to that topic. Okay, now dear students, we take and solve some important questions based on these formula, okay, of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Now let's see, we discuss some important question based on these formula, and the question is what? Let's see the question, and question is, find the measure of each exterior angle of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of a regular polygon of first 9 sides, and second one is what? 15 sides, 9 sides, and second one is what, 15 sides. Now let's see its solution. Okay friends, here first of all what I do, let's see. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of, first one is what, 9 sides, second inverse 15. First of all, let's see. First of all, we take the first part of this question. This is n is equal to what? 9. N is what? Sides. Okay. Now, first of all, find the measure of each exterior angle. So, first of all, we find the sum of, first of all, we find the measure of each interior angle. Okay. So, let's see. First, does the sum of our interior angle, the sum of our interior angles of side 9 is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degrees. So that is 9 minus 2 into 180, that is 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So here 7 into 180 is equal to what? A is equal to 700, 1260 degree. So in this way, first of all, we find the sum of our interior angle of side 9 is this. That is, each interior angle is interior angle is what? Each interior angle is what? 1260 divided by the number of sides, which is 9. Okay. So we get what? Let's see. 9 on the 9, 3 36, 9 4 36, 0. This is what? 140 degree. Thus each exterior angle, thus each exterior angle is what? Thus each exterior angle represents what? 180 minus each interior angle. We just described that formula. Okay, 180 minus each interior angle. Each interior angle, that is what? 180 minus 140 is equal to what? This is 42. This is the another answer. Okay, this is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so using that concept, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now, one of the most important thing is that we describe another formula to find the exterior angle. Let's see, and another way, each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angle. This is 16 and number of sides, which is 9. So 9 4s are 36, 0. This is also, in this way we also find the each exterior angle, which is what? 40 degree. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic angle sum property of the polygon quadrilateral. Okay, now we are going to take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. Now we get a is equal to 15 side, which is given in our question. Thus, first of all, we find the sum of all interior angle having sides what? 15. The sum of all interior angle of side 15 is what? We use the formula n minus 2 into 180. Okay. Now from there we put the value of n is 15 minus 2 into 180, that is 15 minus 2, that is what? 13 now, into 180. Now we multiply them. Let's see, 18013 0 2340. We get 2340 degree, means 2340 degree. Okay. So this is the sum of all Indian angle of sides 15 is what? 2340. Thus each interior angle, thus each interior angle is what? We just divide that angle by 15 number of sides. So we get what? Let's see here. So 15, 2, 3, 4, 0. 1 is 15. Okay. Now we get what? 8. This is 4. Okay. Now. So 9, 0. So 156. So we divide them. So we get 156 degree. So in this way, first of all, we find the each interior angle. First of all, we find the each interior angle, which is what? 56, 156. Thus, each exterior angle is, thus each exterior angle. Thus, each exterior angle is what? 180 minus. Each exterior angle is what? 180 minus 156. Each exterior angle is what? 180 minus 156. Now we subtracting them. This is 4. This is 24. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic polygon, sum of angle of the polygon. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the some important property related to parallelogram. You know that parallelogram is another types of the quadrilateral. No? Let's see. Now, we are going to discuss some important property related to parallelogram. Let's see. You know that parallelogram is a special types of quadrilateral ABCD in which opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. Opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other means AB is equal to CD as well as BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. Means this is the types of parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. And one of the most important concept is there, the opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal to each other. Means second one is opposite angle. Opposite angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Second one is what? Adjacent angles are supplementary to each other. Means sum of adjacent angles is what? 180. Means angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 as well as angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. So these are the very important concepts related to parallelogram. Okay, key means parallelogram is a special types of the quadrilateral, and one of important diagonals of the parallelogram bisects each other. Bisects each other means what? OA is equal to OC as well as OB is equal to OD. And one of the most important thing is that diagonals of the parallelogram divide it into two triangles of equal areas. Okay, so this is the very important concept related to parallelogram. This is very, so please learn all the important concepts related to parallelogram. graph. Okay, dear friends. Now, we can take some important question of your NCERT exercise based on polygons and some important topic related to that, like quadrilateral, polygon, parallelogram, etc. Now we take some important questions, and your question is the measure of two adjacent angles. The measure of two adjacent angles. Okay, the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Are in the ratio 3:2. Okay. Find the measure of each of the angle of the parallelogram. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram each of the angles of the parallelogram. Now let's see its solution. Listen, first of all, we know that the property of parallelogram here, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, let the angles are A, B, C and D respectively. Okay, let the angles are A, B, C and D respectively. Now first of all we form the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram A, B, C, D. Here the in that figure, the pair of adjacent angles. The pair of adjacent angles are what? Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle A. Okay. Let two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio. Let angle A is to angle B is equal to 3:2. So let angle A is equal to 3x and angle B is equal to 2x respectively. And since we apply the property of parallelogram, let's see. Since we know that the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is, we know that the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is what? 180 is what? 180, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to what? 180, that is angle A plus angle B is what? 180 degree. Now what I do? Now we put the value of angle A and angle B in this relation. Angle A is what? This is 3x plus this is what? 180. So 5x is equal to 180 plus x is equal to 180 upon 5. X is equal to what? 180 upon 5. Now we divide 180 by 5. Now we divide what? 180 by 5. So we get what? Let's see. 5 3 is 15. 5 3 30. So x is equal to 3x, 36. Thus angle A is equal to 3x, which is 3 into 36, so 108 degree. Okay, this is first answer. Angle B is equal to what? 2x, so 2 into 36 means 72 degree. This is another answer. And we know that the opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal to each other. From figure, angle C is equal to angle A, which is equal to what? Angle C is equal to angle A, so that is equal to what? 108 degree, and angle D is equal to angle B, which is equal to 72 degree. In this way, dear friends, we find each and every angles of the parallelogram as 180, 108, 72 and 108 and 72. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given question. So using that concept, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus, of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Now we are going to take and solve some important question of your syllabus. Let's see. How many sides? The question is, how many sides? How many sides does a regular polygon does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is the measure of an exterior angle is the measure of an exterior angle is what? 24 degree. Question mark. Now let's see its solution. Therefore, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus, so please concentrate on this question. Here, how many sides? We find the number of sides, and here regular polygon if the measure of an exterior angle. An exterior angle is given, an exterior angle is given as what? 24 degree. So since we know that measure of each exterior angle, measure of each exterior angle. Measure of each exterior angle is what? Sum of all exterior angles upon number of sides. And you know that the sum of all exterior angle is what? 360. So here, and each exterior angle, here we put this is 24 is equal to this is 360 upon n. Thus the value of n is what? 360 upon 24. Now we 12 2, this is 180 again by 2, 2 6 are 90, 2 3 are 45. Okay, now 15 upon 3, 15 3 are 15, 45. Thus the number of sides is what? 15. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so using that concept, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, so please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the understanding quadrilateral. Now we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus. Now your question is, find the value of x, y and z. Your question is, find the values of x, y and z in the given figure. And the figure is A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, and 100. And here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is what? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Now let's see its solution. Just before that, I discussed some important questions. One question based on that topic, parallelogram, and we know that the all property of the parallelogram. Here A, B are the pair of adjacent angles, and AC and BD are the pair of what? Opposite angles. And we know that the sum of adjacent angle is always equal to 180, and the pair of opposite angles are equal to each other. So since we know that, the sum of adjacent angles is 180 and opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal to each other. Okay, so from that figure, since from figure angle A and angle B are adjacent angles, angle A and angle B are what? Pair of adjacent angles. That is, the sum of their measure is 180. That is, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle A plus angle B is equal to what? 180 degree. Now angle A we put as Z, angle B is what? 100. Angle B is what? 100 is equal to 180. So from there, Z is equal to 180 minus 100. That is, Z is equal to what? 80. Okay, 80. This is the first answer. Okay, now since angle A is equal to angle C, these are the opposite angle. These are what? Opposite angles, na? So angle C is what? X. So X is equal to angle A is what? Z. This is 80. So angle X is 80 degree, as well as Y is equal to angle B. This is also opposite angles. So Y is equal to B is what? 100. So in this way we find the value of X as 80, Y as 100 and Z as 80 degree. So these are the required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, using that concept, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. So please just do more and more practices of each and every question which we discuss in that class, and then after you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we take and solve some other important topics, some important question of your chapter and completed them. Okay, now thanks to all.